Hello and welcome to another Mid-Aged Man, and today I'm going to be helping you with your quarantine haircut. Run the titles. Back to my channel. If you didn't know, my name's Rob and I'm a professional hairdresser. Now I've been running Mid-Aged Man while in quarantine just to see the different things that I can get up to, but today, more importantly, as I'm seeing more and more people trying at home to cut their own hair, I feel it's my time to step in and show you some safe ways just to get you over the quarantine days that we're having. Now, hopefully we haven't got too long in the UK. We're looking probably about another 6 weeks. So that is one full haircut. Now, I know that you're not professional hairdressers. I am, so there's only so much I can do. So the best thing that I think that we should go about this is just to really kind of tidy up. Not do a full haircut, just to get by and make you feel a little bit better. We all know that self-care is a really big thing for mental health, and we do know that it's Mental Health Awareness Week. So I know this is super important for you to feel better, but I'm very lucky that my other half is a barber, so I can pick and choose my haircuts, hence going blonde. But use don'ts. But really this tutorial is for women and for men with longer hair. I've got a lovely model for you to meet, and let's get over and see him. This is Bob. He's got a bob and he wants his hair cut shorter than a bob. Let's get started with this quick tutorial. All you need is a comb, you need some thinning scissors. Now I am only using thinning scissors today because there's very little room for going wrong. If you go for normal scissors, then once it's off, it's off. And at least with the thinning scissors, you can actually take a little bit at a time. You also need 2 section grips as well, just to get rid of the main part of the hair. Let's get started. So you can see I've sectioned off the hair and working out how much I want off. So what you do with the thinning scissors is take the first snip, and then that gives you your guide, then work all the way down using a rapid movement just to take off a lot of the bulk. Now it's not going to take off all of it straight away, but don't worry, carry on watching and you'll see how I do that. So you follow the line all the way around, and remember this gives you a little bit more room for a little bit of mistakes there because you can see where you're going. So you take the first snip and then rapidly go through there. Now I've sped this up obviously because this can be a little bit boring to watch, and then I'm just taking all the little bits off. Then with anyone with thick hair, if you feel like this is a bit too thick, you can actually chip into, this is what we call in the game as chipping in, and it will take off the bulk. Bring the rest of the sections down, and anything that needs to come off, you just need to go round the curvature of the neck and take off everything there. Now at the front, if any women have got any long bangs, any grown out fringes, this is ideal for trimming this. What you do is you take a triangle section, as you can see, and then what you need to do is then decide how long it needs to be. Now for me, I would be very safe. If your hair tends to ping up like Bob's certainly does, I would definitely take a ½ inch longer than what you think. You need to use the twiddling motion. Twiddle is a very professional term. And then to start moving the scissors down from that point all the way down. This will give you a really nice soft sweep. Just take any of the excess hair and then sweep it back. Then to join the sides, if you need to join the sides, you just need to have a look from where you've finished cutting and then just take any away using a rapid sweeping movement for chopping there. There we go. And that gives you a really nice soft finish. Then the other side there, you can see there's a little bit too much there, so I've just gone in and chipped away there, and that will give you a nice soft finish. And that's a long grown out bang. Hiya, so I hope you enjoyed that very quick tutorial. Again, it was designed for you to use thinning scissors and not normal scissors in case of any mistakes, and just to tidy up your hair as well. So what I done for Bob was to take a little bit of length off the back using the thinning scissors, sectioning the hair out of the way so you've got the first section there about an inch thick, and then you cut first of all your line of how much you actually want to take off. Then after that you rapidly move your thinning scissors to take off the rest of the length. This will give you a decent straight line with some softness to it. Then after that, I chipped into it as well so it didn't look too bowly, too thick, just in case you've got thick hair. If you have got fine hair, you will not need to do this as it will thin your hair out more. And then I went through to the front, and if any women have got long bangs, then this is ideal for you. You take a triangle section from the front out and down, and wherever length you want it to start, just dip under sort of ½ inch from there, just in case you have got hair that does ping up, which Bob definitely does. And then that softens that long fringe just around here, just to keep that out of your way a little bit more. So remember, this is one of the biggest key things for using thinning scissors. The closer you use towards the roots, the more hair you will thin out. The closer you get to the ends, the more length you will take away and leave the thickness there. So just kind of bear that in mind when you are using them. There are thinning scissors out there. The quickest and probably easiest way to order thinning scissors is on Amazon, as their delivery times have been excellent so far over the quarantine time. These can range from £5 all the way to £50, £60, £70. There will be a link just below there. If you do get stuck, I'll recommend a couple of pairs for you on different price ranges, just so it suits everyone. You are refreshing your haircut. You're not doing a completely different haircut, so keep your hairstylist in a job afterwards. I'm sure they're going to be nice and busy. And if you've liked this video, please click the subscribe button and the like button especially, and the bells for notification for more videos. And if you did like more hairdressing or hair tips, then please let me know in the comments below. This is my job. I've been doing it for 15 years and I really do love it. So if you feel that you need a little bit more from me, I'll certainly do that for you. But until the next time, thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye. Say bye. Say bye, Bob.